Hello friends and welcome back to How to Make It with Lily. Today I will be sharing with you how to make pot roast. This is my personal recipe. You're more than welcome to customize it to your own, but it is a family favorite and it's super easy to do. Let's get started. Let's get the broth ready. For that, we're going to be needing 1 head of onion, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, bell peppers, some celery sticks, as well as potatoes. So we're going to start off by pouring 32 ounces of beef broth into the slow cooker, followed by half a can of the 8-ounce tomato sauce. We're going to reserve half of the can for later use. Now come the vegetables, give it a rough chop and add it to the broth. If you're using smaller potatoes like I am, you don't even have to chop that, you can just put it in whole. But if you're using more like russet potatoes or Idaho potatoes, I do recommend for you to chop those into at least quarts. As to how much of the vegetables you're using, it's really completely up to you. Do it per your taste and your preferences, and as long as you have room, go ahead and load it up. Next, I'm going to be adding about 1.5 teaspoons of salt and about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Again, this is completely up to your taste preferences. So if you want it more salty, do it more salty. If you want it less, do it less. But it really depends on how much of a salt content your original broth contains. Next, I'm going to give it a good stir and then we're going to start off on the beef. For the beef, I have a chunk roast here, which is the best for a pot roast. However, you can use a top round or a bottom round. I'm going to salt the beef liberally, making sure I get it into all the nooks and crannies. Next, I'm going to do almost the same with the pepper, except I'm going to be a little bit more conservative with the pepper so that it does not add too much of a spiciness to the broth. However, if you do prefer it to be spicy, you can go ahead and be more liberal with it. And you want to make sure you repeat the process on both sides. Now I'm going to add the beef to the slow cooker and add the reserved tomato sauce on top of the beef and then put the lid on. Let it simmer for about 6 to 8 hours depending on the size of your beef. It is now nighttime, but I wanted to pop in here and let you see what it looks like. It just smells so amazing in the house. It completely reminds me of fall comfort foods or winter comfort foods, and this is my go-to comfort food. And it is just so easy to make. Just to give you an idea how tender this beef is, I'm just taking 2 forks and pulling it apart, and it is literally falling apart with the forks. You don't even need a knife. It is so nice, tender, and juicy because of the slow cooking process. Okay, now that the pot roast is done, you have the option of making a gravy out of the wonderful juice and putting it all over mashed potatoes, or you have the option of making a pot roast sandwich. I simply took a take and bake French baguette from Aldi and put it in the oven until it was nice and warm. Now I'm putting in some mozzarella cheese. You can put whatever you want. You can do A1 sauce or mustard and build it up the way you want it. This is by far my family's favorite meal. Next, I'm going to take some of that broth from the pot roast and dip the sandwich in there. That's going to be the au jus sauce. Well, friends, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with a family or a friend. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's free. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you can get updated information in regards to my uploads. All these actions will help to support the growth of the channel. My goal for this channel is to bring you a variety of content. So if you're looking for DIYs, shop with me's, cooking, baking is soon to come, inspirational and motivational quotes, head on over to my playlist and you will find those categories. Don't forget again to subscribe for more, and I will see you back soon. Thanks for watching.